Good morning, everybody. This is Sonny. Welcome to another one of my videos. All right, I hope everybody did well over the weekend. This is Tuesday morning here around 9 o'clock. Hopefully the market kind of settled down a little bit and see what we got here. Okay, let's get busy. All right, here we go. This is the market here. Looks like it's up a little bit here. Looks like some of the stocks here are. Look, Boeing looks like it's going down again. It went down $3. We got out of that trade on Monday, yesterday. Just so you know, when it was up, I'll show you the profits later on it. I might get back into her. I might go for a price of $220. All right, we also have PFE. Remember, we got a $40 strike price. I'm not worried about it. We'll probably be buying more later, or put cover calls against it if we get put that stock. We got CRM, which is currently almost at our strike price. Now, this is a stock I want to keep for long term too, but I'm going to be making money on it every week. So if we have to do coverage calls on it later on, no big deal. But let's get into Boeing here. I think this is an opportunity for us. All right, it popped down to, whoa, it dropped down to 224. Okay, good. All right, let's see the full screen real quick. I need to pull the trigger on it before it bounces back up, even though the market's up. Like I said, I like Boeing. All right, looks like it's going in upward motion. Just taking a little bit of a dip. Let's go with the 15-minute chart here. 15-minute chart even looks bad here. But how low can we get it going? Price target. I'm looking at about a 220 strike price. If I can get a 220 strike price right here, or 222, if she comes down to about there. All right, so let me go with that strike price. All right. Okay, research. Options. BA. Boeing. Come on. Whoa, pop back up to 25.62. This thing just jumps all around the place. Okay, we got a 230 strike price. It's kind of like neutral. Let's see what the option change they're telling us. Okay, we can get that 220 at about $200, or we can go for the 222. Let's see if we can get the 220. She popped up another $1. That's why she's like this. Let's put a limit on here. Let's put this and get this puppy ready. 26. We're gonna have to go with 222, so we can get a little bit of money out of it. Okay, let's go with $2.70. Wow, we got executed. All right, good deal. Okay, what we did was we sold the put, a put option, a sell to open, a 222.50 put to option, only one. Let's get to my accounts. Let's see what our balance is right now. Yeah, we're still doing pretty good. All right, we still got some margin power here. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, as you can see here, I got out of my BA here. I sold it on Monday, and I picked up a profit of $498 on Monday. So as we started off the week at a positive, we're now close to our 3% for the month. We still have to make another $130, which we should be able to make it off of this one here. Plus, we bought another position of BA, and I'll put that position down here. So it'll be on there the next time. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right. So BA is bouncing around here. Let's get back over here and see what else we can do here. The market's up just a little bit. I mean, they recommend to buy McDonald's and recommend to buy tea. Wow, Boeing jumped up to 226 already. That's good. I wanted to keep going up. So we pick up that $270 or $280 that we got it there by the end of the week. I was going to get back into Beyond, but it jumped up too high. Now, like I said, Pfizer, it went down because all the medical stocks are going down, pretty much all of them. Moderna, it went down 4% today. See, Pfizer's not going down as much. You know, it's all about that vaccine out there right now. And right now, Pfizer's the other one out there. Do I think she could go down to about $38? Yeah, it's a possibility, but you know, I do have options against it to protect our downside only to about 39. So then I'll have to just do covered calls. Now let's look at this full screen here of Pfizer. Okay, as you can see here, if you look at the 15-minute chart, let's go with the 1 day. All right, you see Pfizer here. It still has a 50 days above the 200 day, which is good. The blue is the 50 day, just so you know. Okay, it's come down a little bit, but it's no biggie. We kind of figured she was going to come back down, but I'm looking overall long term. Okay, if you look back here last August, it was at these ranges. All right, they didn't have no vaccine out. That was last year. That was 12 months ago. Now, yes, we dipped down here. It's because of, remember, the market crashed here. Then she came back up. So she stayed around the 36. You see the 36.54 there? Okay, if it's a possibility that this thing retraces back to about 36.54 or 37, then I might pick up some more, and it'll be like a dollar cost averaging, and we bounce back. But if we have to, we'll do covered calls each week until we get back up to $40 a share, or until we get our money out of it, plus a little bit of profit, hopefully some profits. But I think she's going to go back up to $40 a share. Plus, she does dividends every 3 months. But I don't think we're going to be in it that long. But you never know. Sometimes you get into a stock and you might be in it for a while. Okay, but I do like Pfizer, and I like I like Boeing. Boeing will bounce back. It'll get back up to the 300s again later on. So, and I like the CRM here. See what CRM is doing real quick. Okay, it's down here at the 220, down to our mark where we picked her up. Remember, these are daily charts here. All right, the 50-day, the blue line is still above the red line, which is a great thing, okay? So will she, you see how these things, you see how the market, where it keeps going up like here, and then it pops real up, way up there? You know, now I think it's coming back down to reality, which is about 216, but I think a little bit more premiums authorized because of their profits that they declared in earnings. So I still think this is still about a 227, maybe a 230 stock for a while until next earnings, or if the market goes back to the bullish trend, it can go even higher. That's what I believe in Salesforce. That's why I like Salesforce. So down here, I don't mind owning covered calls or selling puts against it. Up here, it was just too overpriced up here. This is la la land. This not reality. Okay, Boeing is hanging in there. Look, 226 and 91 cents. I was trying to get back into win, but she popped back up too quick on me. And NIO, look, it jumped back up. We're back over 43, almost 43. Market's crazy here. But I like the CRM at these prices here. Really like it. As long as we close at the end of the week over 220, I'm okay with this thing. No big deal. It can stay. It can do whatever it wants to until Friday. But I'm looking at this PFE, and I'm thinking we're going to go down to about 38. Let me look at the 1 day. She might have some support here, because that's what the price was up here. But it can dip all the way down here. If the market goes bad, it can go down to 37.26, or it's saying here 36. I think I pulled the trigger just a little bit too quick on Pfizer, but it was all right. All right, let's get out of this. Okay. All right, guys. I just sold a put today at Boeing, and I think we got it at a good price, 222 and 50 cents by Friday. As long as it stays above that mark and it doesn't go below it, we won't get put to stock this weekend.